Look at this hail coming down June 27th, 2017. Just called the National Weather Service with this pea-sized hail coming down. Whoa, we got a big flash of lightning. It's about 11:30. Great summer of 2017 here. This hail coming down. Accumulation. Really coming down. We have some huge updrafts with this storm and downdrafts bringing it down. Hear it pinging against the windows. Hail in Rochester, New York. Pea-sized hail. Almost nickel-sized. And there it goes. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it looks like snow. Looks like snow accumulating. This isn't gravel, this is hail. At least it isn't the stuff like they get in the Midwest, baseball-sized hail.